Hello student, this is the second part of chapter number 3. Two powerful empires ruled over most of Europe, North Africa and the Middle East in the period between the birth of Christ and the early part of the 7th century. The two empires were those of Rome and Iran. The Rome and Iranis were rivals. दुश्मन थे एक दूसरे के. रोम और ईरानीज एक दूसरे के एनिमीज थे. एंड नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर, और दोनों एम्पायर एक दूसरे के आमने सामने थे. ईच अदर फॉर मच ऑफ देयर हिस्ट्री. देयर एम्पायर ले next to each other, separated only by a narrow strip of land, and run along the river Farat. In this chapter, we shall be looking at the Rome Empire. इस चैप्टर में हम रोम एम्पायर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और थोड़ा थोड़ा ईरान के बारे में. But we shall also refer in passing to Rome, Rome's rival Iran. रोम और ईरान दोनों एक दूसरे के एनिमीज थे. If you look at the map, this map, if you look at the map, you will see that the continent of Europe and Africa are separated by a sea that stretches all the way from Spain in the west to Syria in the east. This sea is called the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea. And it was the region around the sea in both direction, north as well as south. To the north, the boundaries of the empire were formed by the two great rivers. This is the river. Two great rivers. One is here and the other one is here. The river Rhine and Danube. This is river Danube. To the south, by the huge expansion of desert called the Sahara Desert. This vast stretches of territory was the Rome Empire. Iran controlled the whole area of south of the Caspian Sea down to East Arabia and sometime large part of Afghanistan, as well as two superpower. As these two superpower had divided up map most of the world that the Chinese called Ta Chin. When you see the map of the world, you can easily understand where the Rome Empire was and where lies the Iran. Okay? Tomorrow I will be sending you the next video, that is of page number 60.